Wait, you should come over and take his.
So this
I'll
is
go over
what
here.
the Gilson family does on a Sunday evening with Radioactive Dave. This, I don't know if you can
because
see.
we're answering questions about the Japanese reactors, which led my questioning daughter Brittany to ask all the way back to atomic and nuclear physics.
So we're sitting here.
Basic atomic theory.
This is not what you find in a normal household, I know. But here we have structures of atoms and periodic tables, and look, even structure of a nuclear power plant.
Nuclear.
And reactors and how they operate.
You pronounced that wrong.
So,
Nuclear.
Primary, secondary, tertiary
so
systems.
any of you who have questions about what's going on in Japan, Facebook, Radioactive Dave, who will he can take you through the whole process. And for the questioning minds, like Brittany, who want to know, here it is. Do you want to say anything? Okay. Go ahead.
Email me if you want information.
Okay.
Okay. Are you done? No? Okay, so we take the uranium pellets, put the uranium pellets in the fuel rods. Then we take fuel rods and we put them in bundles. And then bundles of fuel rods are put into the reactor.
14 feet tall.
Well,
How many are in
depends
a
on
bundle?
126, 136.
And there's 1,000 pellets in every rod.
About. In a 14-foot tall rod.
Okay.
So there's a bazillion.
A bazillion in the reactor. Because in the reactor, each bundle has, say, 100 and whatever it is,
46.
rods in it.
27.
It's 14 by 14.
Then 26.
So 156, right? Is it 160?
169 is
14, 14. Anyway, doesn't matter. 176, whatever it is.
They're in there.
So inside the reactor, then there's about 250 or so bundles. Okay, within the bundles there are other things like control rods and poison rods to absorb neutrons, and there's also a startup source. So the startup source can be it's a source that's going to generate neutrons, so that we can introduce neutrons into the new fuel.
Which
Because
means
we want to bombard this uranium with neutrons so that we can begin the fission event.
Okay. And that makes it radioactive.
Absolutely, highly.
And then it
So
goes in
what
dark
source
and the light.
do you get? What kind of source?
What do you mean
There's several
poison
different
rods?
kinds of sources. We'll get to that. It's not important.
Oh, okay.
The sources are important.
Oh.
We
So-
mix the material, we mix elements. Americium, beryllium will generate in specific elements or specific quantities will generate neutrons, and a plutonium beryllium source will generate neutrons.
All right, sweetie. So if somebody wants to know what's going on in Japan, can they Facebook you?
Sure.
Okay.
And I'll either respond or I will direct them to legitimate news sources like the American Nuclear Society or World Nuclear News or the Nuclear Energy Institute or something like that.
Right, there you go. So if you want to know some really cool, interesting fact about what's going on right now today in our world, Facebook Radioactive Dave or David Gelson, because he doesn't have Radioactive Dave posted.